Hi guys, okay, I am back with yet another fire one. This one I just picked up the paints and let them lead me. I didn't even put down a base coat. Talk about total artistic freedom, I guess. I was like, let's just go with the flow and see what happens. I had no clue, and shockingly, I ended up getting a kind of bird out of it. I guess I'm calling it like a flamingo. I know that's kind of corny. But it is what it is. Hey, it kind of looks like a flamingo. I was kind of disappointed that I didn't get the actual bird that I got when it was wet. But you guys know how I like showing you the before and after so that you guys can actually see what I have, what I don't have, between when it's wet and when it's dry. So, but I mean, look at these colors. When and this time I actually did put yellow in there. I don't know if you guys saw it, but I did, and I didn't get any green. This was another thing that I was determined to do, and it doesn't show up, but I did it anyways. I want you guys, my subscribers, to go ahead and watch through and wait till the end, because I do have some stuff that I want to talk about where this channel's going. So yeah, go ahead and watch through to the end. But anyway, so this turned out pretty amazing. You know, just another fire painting. I had a lot of black paint on as my, I guess, secondary paint base coat, I guess you would call it. So I wasn't sure if I would get cracks in the paint or not. I was kind of worried about that right there in the middle, cracking, but thankfully it did not. I thought I might have to pour off some paint. Kind of worried about that, but... And then the black paint ended up swallowing like the neck of the bird, because it ended up being pretty narrow. And sadly I lost some of that eye. So as it was drying, I did go back in and blow out some more, which you might be able to see. Like, I added some feathers on top, maybe a little bit. I don't know, maybe we lost it a little bit, but oh well, it is what it is. So I don't know, I like all the texture we got in here. There's the flamingo is bursting out of the paint, out of the fire. And so I hung this on a kind of an angle instead of hanging it, you know, like a typical square, because it looks like it's flying away from the fire that's trying to engulf it. Anyways, I hope you guys like this. And again, if you are a subscriber, please stay tuned, because I will have a message at the end of this video for all you guys. And if you're not, please subscribe. And again, stay tuned. Thanks. Okay. Hi everyone. So, I have been working on stuff. I have figured out that I am a crafty person. You're like, well, duh. You know, I don't know. Like, before Thanksgiving, I made the wreath and I posted it up because, you know, I thought it was kind of cool. But I have figured out over the last couple weeks that
probably should have named my YouTube something else other than just Pippi's Paintings, because I love doing paintings, don't get me wrong, and I'm going to continue doing paintings, but I have found that I like doing other things like crafts and stuff like that. Like, you see my hair? It's gotten a lot longer because I made these. I'm so excited. But if I would have had like Pippi's Paintings and Crafts as my title, then I could have recorded and published it on my channel on how I made them and how, you know, I created them. And, you know, of course I learned it off of YouTube and I had help from other people to make them. But, you know, another thing that I started doing is, it's called wire weaving or wire wrapping. But I'm making stuff. But really, I mean, the biggest thing is that I want to kind of broaden my horizons and, you know, do more things. And I want to share it with you guys. But I want to get your opinion. Should I make another YouTube channel and put it on that channel? Or would you guys be okay with me also putting it on this channel? Because, you know, with my health, if I made another YouTube channel, there would be some weeks you guys would not have a painting from me. You know, when I made my extensions, I was not able, I mean, it took me a while, and with my fibromyalgia, my hands can only take so much. My body can only take so much. So, you know, if you want a video from me, you know, at least once a week, if not more than once a week, then, you know, we kind of got to put it on one channel. If you don't mind skipping a week or two, then, you know, we can do 2 YouTube channels. So I guess it's up to you on what kind of content you're looking for. If you don't mind me doing crafts as well, it's just up to you. Like I said, I'm finding out I'm extra crafty and I'm excited and I want to share this kind of stuff with you, and it's really fun. Anyway, so comment below in the comments or email me. I will have my email in the box below. Send me an Instagram. Let me know what you guys think, because I'm really excited about this new stuff that I've been learning. And like I said, I'm still going to be painting because I love painting and love sharing that with you guys. But I love doing this other stuff too. So let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.